Hey guys, I thought I'd make this video really quick for anyone out there who's like working on a trumpet case and they need to replace the locks on the case. If you're having a hard time finding the locks, I can see why, because if you do Google searches and stuff looking for trumpet case locks and instrument locks, you don't always find exactly what you're looking for. What you can find a lot of times is combination locks, like the kind of combination locks that you would see on a briefcase. And you can put those on your trumpet case and yeah, it'll probably work fine, but it seems like a combination lock is kind of a strange thing to have on a trumpet case. Usually it's either just a regular, like a clasp or a hasp lock with or without a key. But if you want a lock that has a key, you can use these. These are made by the Crest Lock Company, and you can see it says that right on the key. So you can go to the Crest Lock Company website and you can order these. They're not very expensive. I don't remember what I paid for them. I think it was like 15 or 20 bucks for the set. And here's what they look like. And you've probably seen these before on other trumpet cases. I have a case for a con trumpet from like 1983 or something. It has the exact same locks on there. So they still make these, and this is how they ship them to you in these little plastic bags. And that's what they look like. Now when you install these, you want to make sure that when you install them, you're installing them so that when you insert the key, you're putting the key in right side up. What you wouldn't want to do is, like for example on this lock, the key goes in like this way, it goes in like that. What you wouldn't want to do is accidentally install this lock on the other side like this, and that way when you put the key in, you're putting the key in upside down. Right? You wouldn't want to do that. You'd want to have it so that when you put in the key, you're putting in the key right side up. Now it'll work both ways, but it just makes sense to put it correctly so that when you insert the key, you're putting the key in right side up. So and again, it took me a long time to find these locks, and the only reason I found them is because I was looking through some pictures of trumpet cases, and some guy was selling a case and he happened to show a picture of the locks and he showed a picture of the key. And these were basically the keys that were in that photo, and that's how I found these locks. So there you go. If you're looking for locks for your trumpet case, Crest has got you covered for pretty inexpensive. It doesn't come with the hasp. Now the hasp is the part that goes up top here and actually locks into it. But the hasp is not difficult to find. You can find hasps all over the place, and pretty much any brass hasp will work. Even if you have like hasps that were left over from your old trumpet case that you wanted to reuse, you could probably just use those and put them in there. But finding the hasp is not the hard part. It's actually finding the lock is a little bit challenging. So that's what they are. Thanks for watching.